so big! It's like a 1/2 scale plane.
Probably a quarter. Or less than that.
No, not really. It's tiny. Teeny tiny. Teeny tiny Cessna with a Depron foam tail.
Propeller.
Good luck. Woo! Prize!
Don't crash that plane, remember I said.
No, Papa, no crashing.
You want to roll to the left.
No crashing, Papa, no crashing.
Because I still
Okay.
remember.
Okay, tiny plane, far away, can see nothing.
Coming back.
Can see nothing. Still in the air, still in the air. Still rolling to the left. It's probably got something to do with the fact that you glued the tail on wonky. It's rolling to the left, yeah? That's the way the rudder's leaning. The rudder's leaning to the left. So shonky, so shonky. Looks like a very gentle flyer, yeah? Nice.
Nice. Less than half total, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, on a 1300, you're going to get 10 minutes out of that.
Everything 100%?
Yeah?
Can you go like this?
Doesn't feel tail heavy?
Papa, can you do this if we go up?
It's actually not heavy.
Yeah?
So I actually have to put the elevator up.
Mind the tree, mind the tree.
Hang on.
So it's want to drop the nose a bit, yeah?
Papa,
That's a very nice little aeroplane. Here we go, maiden landing. Land it on the short stuff. That's right, on the runway. Oh, it's down! It's in one piece! Woohoo! Nice!
Yeah.
Cool.
Actually good.
Happy? Yeah.
Okay. The only modification you have to do is cut the wheel arches.
Ah, okay, yeah, to make the wheel.
Otherwise you won't.
Yeah.
That's only
Had-
modification you have to do.
So you found that out yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Very good.
And then, I don't know if you can see it, the only another issue is you can see the wing connector is brake connector, not servos.
Ah, okay.
So first time I put the wing together, it does not align.
Mm,
And then you undo that, make sure it's aligned, and
Yeah.
everything is perfect.
and you recommend gluing the rudder on at a funny angle, yeah? So it
Well,
doesn't fly straight?
You know, it must be my glasses.
Yeah.